Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show around this stylish 208 in the Black Edition specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get air conditioning and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.